What's up, YouTube? FD White back with a special update, special episode, man. Welcome to the channel, man. Welcome to the channel. So we finally did it. We are above 100,000. We broke 100,000 last night, man. So shout out to everybody holding the fort, man, and just waiting for this day, man. This is a special day. We've been waiting for this for me personally. I've been waiting for this for 4 years. So congratulations to everybody out there who's been just being patient, being vigilant, and being just knowing this day will come, man. So this is a beautiful, beautiful day. And this news or this is really coming off the bat. We knew this was coming, ever since we had the election and we started to get this massive run up. We kind of knew this day was coming. We knew it was coming fairly soon, rather. So what happened was yesterday, Donald Trump um, announced that he picked a pro crypto SEC chair. So this was definitely one of the things that was holding the crypto markets back. We had a terrible SEC chair, not only in crypto, but just all around. We could see some of the things that they were doing, some of the things that they were hindering, some of the innovation and things that they were hindering, not just in crypto. They were doing a horrible, horrible job. So I'm over on CNN. It says Bitcoin hit 100K for the first time on Wednesday, surging to a new record after Donald Trump unveiled his pick for the SEC. So we have Paul Atkins, who Trump intends to nominate to lead the SEC, which regulates cryptocurrency. He is the one who will replace Gary Gensler. So if you don't know who this guy is, he's like I think he runs like a consulting firm or something like that now. He's pro crypto. He's been a SEC chair in the past. I think it was like 2002 to like 2009 or something like that. So he's pretty much he knows about the job, but he is pro crypto. That's the main thing that everybody is very, very excited about. And he's not just, I don't think he's like fake pro crypto or, how Gary Gensler was pro crypto before he came in. And then he switched it up, probably had to switch it up because of, the administration's stance on crypto. But now we have a SEC chair who is pro crypto and a president and an administration, which is pro crypto. So it seems like the stars are aligning. The stars are aligning. So Anthony Papliano says if you like Bitcoin at 100,000, you're going to love it at 1 million. So a lot of people are saying this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. So I'm excited, man. I'm excited for the future of crypto as a whole, and just excited to be in the space and excited to be a little bit early. Wasn't early like 10 years ago, but we were early to the party. We saw Bitcoin drop down to 3,000, make its way back up to 8,000, make its way up to 20,000, to 64, 69, back down to 15, and now we rode it back up to 100,000. So what I'm looking at on the chart for short-term moves, short-term play for Bitcoin was for us to get back into this ascending, broadening wedge pattern, or I think that's what you call it. But my target, let's actually get my target tool or my price tool. So my target will be somewhere up in this area here at about 110. So I said 107 to 110, but now I'm thinking, as we moved along, because I thought we were going to hit it somewhere in this vicinity. So if we would have went up in this vicinity, it would have been 107, 106, 107. But it took a little bit more time to actually breach and hold this upward sloping trend line here. So I'm thinking we can possibly go up to about 110 before we get some sort of nice correction. If we do get some sort of correction, I will be trying to, or hope we hold this 100K level as support. And even if we pull, let's say we pull a trend line here, that will come in, in confluence with this top, and then we'll have this coming in at this upper sloping trend line. So that'll be around 100 to $105,000. So I mean, I could see a nice move, a nice rally upward. Maybe we get it this weekend, maybe we don't, maybe next week or something like that, and then ultimately possibly coming back down. But I really, really, really just want to hold this upper sloping trend line here. I really want to hold this. Um, so we continue our path forward. So a lot of people are predicting that we are going to like 180. A lot of people, the big entities, I know Van Eck, I made a video about this a couple weeks ago, said 180. We see Papliano, Michael Saylor, they have these $1 million targets. I mean, not fairly soon, but they do have these targets, soon enough, in the near future. So Me personally, I'm trying not to make any price predictions. I'm really trying not to stay or not to make these predictions that's going to get me caught off guard. But with Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin, of course, I trade Bitcoin, trade some of these altcoins, but right now it's like the way I feel right now, man. Bitcoin is just my long term hold. Bitcoin is my number one long term hold, because I feel like it's going to just keep appreciating over the dollar, against the dollar, and I think all the stars are aligning at least for the next 4 years. So this is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day to be in crypto. Wonderful day to have said "I told you so," to all your friends and family. And we're just looking at this price action, man. Right now we're sitting at 103, 174. So I definitely want to see us hold above this monumental $100,000 area. And like I said, I'm thinking we can get back up to this 110 to 111, or get up to this 110, 111 area and possibly get a rejection from there. But, we're not making predictions. We just give what the market, or take what the market gives us, and we keep moving along. And if you're a trader, you take this volatility or you take these moves and you try to make money. But if you're hodling, you just sit back and you buy dips. You buy crashes, you buy dips, and you just hold. You just hold because you know what the future holds. And like we've been saying that Bitcoin is inevitably going to go up. And I mean, even if you just look at the monthly time frame and zoom out on Bitcoin, I mean, it's basically just up and to the right. So we started here and it's just, it's up and to the right. That's Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin. So sometimes you zoom out, take all the ebbs and the flows out, and you just look and it's basically up and to the right. So if we do get some sort of correction, like I say, I always go to the monthly time frame and I zoom out, and then it kind of calms me down because I know Bitcoin is basically up and to the right. It's probably going to continue doing so, and it's going to go a lot higher. So this is just pretty much a quick update, man. A celebration. Congratulations to everybody out there who held, and we got a long way to go. I think we got a long way to go. I do have a video coming out about Ethereum a little bit later, talking about how Ethereum and altcoins usually start running in January very hard. So I want to see Bitcoin keep going up. Oh, before we get out of here, did want to look at Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance did rise a tad bit over the weekend. I mean, overnight. We got back up to that's on the monthly. Let's go to the daily time frame. Um, so we got back up to about 56.5%. Now it seems like we're getting a little bit of a sell off. Let's go to the hourly and see what we can look at. So we got up to 57%. Now we're getting a little bit of a pullback, which is why we see a lot of these alts starting to move up a nice amount. So congratulations, man, to everybody who've been in alts and who've been just holding it down, man. I think we got a long way to go. I think we got a long way to go. So this is FD White. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I will talk to everybody in the next video. Peace.